How to fix US Bank app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now at the top, you're going to see the search box. Type in the app name US Bank and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Now search for the app US. After you find it, open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app will clear cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, you can apply solution 3. That is, you'll need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. You'll get the pop-up Delete app. Click on that. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app US Bank. After app appears, install it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix US Bank app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.